Perhaps you didn't realize it or quite know, but trading the Forex exchange market used to be like a sea for only the big fish, with a few $1,000,000 to kind of throw around.
So what happened from then till now that allows us as small fish to get into this incredible market?
Well, really, it's down to the advances in software, in communication, and most importantly, the ability for us to borrow money from a broker to trade much greater amounts than we ever could. And this is done through the creation of retail Forex brokers. With all of these changes, it's now truly possible for us at home to play like the big bank boys in the business. Dealing with brokerage platforms is called off-exchange dealing. In other words, we don't deal directly through an exchange, rather we'll be dealing over the counter, or what is commonly known as the OTC markets. Knowing the difference between on-exchange and off-exchange OTC markets is pretty vital.
Exchange trade versus over-the-counter markets. Quite simply, exchange-traded markets are one in which all transactions are channeled through a central source. In other words, one party is responsible for being the intermediary that connects buyers and sellers. This creates a downside in that it gives the intermediary immense power in shaping the market, and is also why it is commonly known that products traded on an exchange are very expensive. The upside is that it allows for better enforcement of transactions and security measures. For instance, exchange-traded markets can standardize products and can ensure that payments and goods are delivered in accordance with the terms of the trade. Stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange are an example of an exchange-traded market. Over-the-counter markets. Now, unlike exchange-traded markets, over-the-counter markets are largely decentralized. The major difference is that multiple intermediaries, mainly for us consumers in the form of brokers, compete to connect buyers and sellers. The upside of this is that competition to be in the intermediary ensures that the transaction cost, the cost imposed by the intermediary to execute the trade, is generally significantly lower. The downside is that the market can be more unregulated. However, there is certainly more and more regulation coming into the OTC markets that protect you as the consumer, so you can breathe a sigh of relief. However, it's still critical to do your homework and check that your broker acting as the intermediary connecting you to other buyers and sellers chooses to be regulated, as this gives you peace of mind. With the rise of electronic trading and the growth of alternative investing, over-the-counter markets have surpassed exchange-based markets in daily trading volume by quantum leaps. But let's just focus a bit on Forex as an OTC market. With Forex, the over-the-counter structure eliminates fees for exchange and clearing, thereby reducing transaction costs. As no middleman and ticket costs are involved, traders deal directly with market makers. The cool thing is that the traders have direct access to the OTC spot Forex market 24 hours a day. This, therefore, allows investors to respond to currency fluctuations caused by economic, social, and political events as they take place without having to wait for markets to open. Another feature of an over-the-counter market is that it allows traders and investors to trade foreign exchange using various means of communication. As it is entirely electronic in nature, an OTC Forex market enables traders to enter and exit the market quickly. While there can be delays between order submission and execution in other markets, the OTC Forex orders are instantaneous. A trader can choose to use either the internet or telephone, whichever suits him in trading currencies. With the internet, whether by cable, modem, or dial-up, a trader can fix his exit points via the stop-loss order and take-profit order. In other words, if the trade is not proceeding favorably, a trader can set his platform to stop the trade and close the deal to lessen his losses. Experts foresee the Forex OTC market to grow more as the other investors and new Forex users enter the field. A study done in Pennsylvania State University showed that more than 85% of stock traders prefer the Forex market more than the other markets. And that certainly should give you the assurance that if you're going to trade, you're in the right market, folks.
A brief description of ACM Gold. To cut a long story short, We've been trading in these markets for over a decade now, and our job is to scour the market for good products, for excellent knowledge, tips and tricks, as well as for, well, superb partners. Since now we know that you require a broker to act as your intermediary, we have come to one conclusion. In our opinion, ACM Gold rocks. We prefer them because they are internationally recognized, and they also capture one of the greatest liquidity percentages, and they're fully regulated. ACM Gold, since its inception in 2004, has been committed to providing market-leading services based on fair and transparent prices, also based on accessible technology and exceptional back-office support. ACM Gold is part of a financial services company providing an array of services and products to individual and institutional clients. The group has offices in Europe, in the Middle East, in the Far East, with associated offices around the globe. They specialize in online forex, CFD, futures, options trading, as well as facilitating the purchase and trade of physical gold and silver. And over the years, they have grown from strength to strength in providing exceptional partnership programs across the globe. The group has been actively involved in various activities, ranging from providing liquidity to major gold futures exchanges around the world, to launching the gold depository receipts, as well as devising physical-backed and future-backed gold certificates on behalf of institutions. So, what are the benefits of having a commodity trading account with ACM Gold? Well, for one, they have cutting-edge trading solutions. You'll have an access to an online account 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. They have training and education facilities. They have efficient risk management strategies in place, and you have access to fundamental and technical views till the markets close. Obviously, they offer competitive brokerage rates and margin requirements, and there's daily, monthly, and quarterly research reports. Their trade execution is transparent and fair, and for their HNI clients, there's a video conference facility available. As an ACM Gold client, you'll have personalized services and broker assistance for effective account management during the trading hours. And of course, they have efficient back-end support systems in place. So their mission statement is to provide market-leading services based on fair and transparent prices, on insightful analysis, on accessible technology, and exceptional back-office support. Their vision? To be the leading edge in the field of commodity brokerage and maximizing market opportunities for clients. Their core values are to provide exceptional service. They strive to give their clients the very best, which is what you deserve. Their approach is customer-centered to its maximum, and this is where we would want to differentiate them and other brokers. Their service speaks for itself. Honesty and integrity. They operate continuously on integrity and ethics. They believe that such a system benefits both them as the firm and you as the client, which is aligned with their mission. There's continuous improvement and growth. In order to keep upgrading the quality of their service, they have made a pledge towards continuous improvement. By doing this, they have a dynamic environment which is flexible yet expanding to bigger and better opportunities. Commitment. They are fully committed to their profession and to their clients. This value is also reinforced by the quality and timing of their work. They give their clients what they want, but they only commit to what they can provide, but always deliver on their promises. Innovation. They pledge to create maximum value for their customers, and for that, they have a constant eye on innovation and creativity. They believe that innovation is the key to survival in today's world. Teamwork. I mean, we all believe in the spirit of teamwork between our employees and customers, which enhance mutual trust. And with ACM Gold is not any different. They also believe in respect and contribution. They apply the rule of sharing the maximum amount of knowledge and information with their clients so that transparency exists and teamwork is comfortable. So, well, that's about it. In a nutshell, we believe that you should be trading with ACM Gold in order to get the most out of your trading experience. In the next presentation, we'll begin to look at the basic building blocks of spot forex and precious metals trading. Until then, see ya.